Why can't I be one of those pretty girls? The ones who glance at a screen and rack up a million likes, the ones with perfect curls and highlights that shimmer just right. Why can't I be one of those perfect girls? The kind who walks into a room and every head turns, the kind who seems to have it all without even being heard. Why can't I be one of those gorgeous girls? The ones boys rush to just to ask for their number? Why can't I be that girl? Why can't I be pretty enough for him? Why doesn't anyone look at me the way that they look at them? The girls who smile at a screen and suddenly they're seen, with their flawless hair and a face that makes boys stare. Why can't I be perfect and look the way those other girls?